guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In this video, we're going to go over 5 new inserts that are going to be available in my shop November 1st, pleasantlyplanned.com, and also new winter Christmas dashboards and covers. So let's start with the inserts. Like I said, there are 5 different ones. This top one is going to go in my journal. So the next video that I film is going to be a setup video where I show you guys how I'm going to set up my planner for the rest of the year and how I plan on using these inserts. So if you've been here for a while, you know that I do weekly therapy sessions with an amazing therapist, and we are always talking, or I am always talking about my thoughts and how my thoughts really determine my day. And so, of course, scripture even tells us to challenge our thoughts, to set our minds on things above and not on things of the earth or things of the world. So I know those things, but trying to tell my brain to stop thinking is a whole nother story. So I've designed this worksheet based off of what my therapist tells me to do, and she tells me basically to journal my thoughts. And then once you have a negative or a bad thought that's really tripping you up, you need to take that thought to court, put it on trial, and gather evidence to prove whether or not that thought is the truth or if it's a lie from the enemy. So this has really helped me a lot. I've never had an insert though to kind of help me do it. And then at the bottom I have a place down here to put things that we can think of instead to kind of redirect our thoughts, whether it be gratitude, blessings, thankfulness, exciting things coming up, anything that we can to kind of brain dump the negative stuff, take it to trial, and then redirect our thoughts. So I'm hoping this will help a lot of us. These inserts, oh, I forgot to mention in my sticker video, all of my stickers are available in the PNG print and cut format as well. I forgot to mention that, but those are not 50% off. Inserts are available in print and ship, so in the classic size only. You guys will have to let me know down in the comments below what other sizes you'd like for me to make. I want to limit myself to what I do offer though, because it just becomes a major hurdle, I guess I should say, to try to cut the paper, because I do cut paper to size. I don't order pre-cut paper. But yeah, kind of let me know. I could probably do like half letter. That would be an easy one for me because I could just cut the pages in half. But I'm hoping that we can all just maybe for 2025 set up a classic size journal together. But these will be sold. These are called Thoughts on Trial. And these are sold, I think there's 15 pages here, so you have a place for 30 days worth of thoughts. And then they're also available in a PDF format that you can print from home. I do recommend that over the printed version, but if you want to try the printed version first and then order the PDF version, however you want to do it, especially for these upcoming couple of meal planner inserts, it would be much better for you if you would print them from home, because you would get multiple sets or as many as you want to print. My PDFs are formatted in the classic size as well, so you could print them on letter size paper or you could print them on pre-cut 7 by 9.25 paper. The next inserts that we have, these are going to go in my catch-all under my home section. These are called weekly meal planners, and so basically you get 16 weeks of meal planners. So on the left side you have a grocery list, on the right side you have a place to put your meals for the week. So that one's pretty self-explanatory. There is a blank notes page on the back. To work in combination with my weekly meal planner, I needed these blank monthly inserts. So I use these to kind of sketch out a meal plan for the month. I really want to get back into meal planning, and that's something I'm going to share some videos with you guys here on this channel, how I go about doing my meal planning. But basically I just rotate meals and throw in a new one here or there. But I do like to kind of sketch out the whole entire month. So if you order these printed and shipped, you will get a set of 12 months. There's nothing on the back. Also available in PDF format. This one is going to be very important to my meal planning, and this is one of the main ones that I was saying if you could do the PDF format and print at home, you'd be much better off, and you'll see why. So this one is called Meal Planner Inventory. So this is just a set of inventory lists. Basically, this sheet is for meats. So before we start meal planning, we need to always go to our kitchens and our pantries and make a list of things we have on hand, because if you're like me, in a crunch for time and just trying to just get through life as quickly as possible or as safely as possible, we end up buying a lot of the same things. So this page says meats, this page says sides. This one is for kits and boxes. For instance, I have chili mix kits, I have taco kits, things like that. So kits and boxes would be here. Ingredients and seasonings over here. And then we have a miscellaneous list. Also, I put in the back here favorite meals and meals to try. So we write the meal down, where the recipe can be found at. Is it a favorite or do you want to try it? Just to kind of keep stock so we can rotate some of those meals. And then ideally, once you have taken down your inventory, you can actually plan some meals off of your inventory before you even decide to spend money on anything on the grocery list. So ideally, that's how that's going to help us to save money and be more organized in the coming months and year. And then this one is super duper important. I cannot wait to start using this one. This one's called Goals and Reflection. This is going to go right in the front of my catch-all planner. I'm actually going to use this one for November and December 2024, just to kind of get a feel for it, see where I'm at, and then whenever we do start making goals for 2025 together here on my channel, I'm going to break this bad boy out and use it again. So let's see what is in here. Our first page is a reflection page. So we have 12 different categories. 10 of them are already filled in of where I am, and rate that on a scale of 1 to 10 for myself, my family, my relationships, health and wellness, home, work, fun, community, faith, and finances. So once you've filled out where you currently are, then you would come to the next page and fill out where you want to be. So this is going to be very important if you want to start using this in November, like I am, to kind of just gauge and get a sense of where we are for the next 2 months. This will kind of help us to be able to make our goals for 2025. So again, if you want to order this in the copy that I print and ship, you'll want to get 2 if you're going to start using this in November. So keep that in mind. Then we have 2 blanks pages. I made sure to put in between each one of these inserts in this planner blank lined pages so that we can kind of brainstorm, brain dump, or whatever we need to help us get our goals gauged. So 2 blank lined pages here. The next section is all about me again, basically. I'm learning how to do self-care in a sense that I am a codependent people pleaser. So I always try to anticipate other people's needs and put mine on the back burner. So I'm really trying to learn a lot about myself right now. So this page is going to help me a ton. The first section says, what brings me joy, peace, and happiness? The second one says, things I love about myself. I feel best when, and what can I improve about myself this year? Then we have another section here that kind of ties in with that section. This year, I would love to do more of and not worry about this. I'm probably going to fill this whole section in. And then I would love to think more about, try, go, read, and watch. So this is going to be about finding yourself and things that you enjoy. I used to despise self-love because I thought that it was selfish. But the more I talked to my therapist, the more I realized I have been pouring from an empty cup for many, many years. And I'm not getting any younger, so I've got to start doing better at taking care of myself mentally and physically. So again, then we have our 2 lined pages here. And then we get into our 2025 vision board. You can see at the top here, it says 2025 vision. At the bottom, I always tell myself, and I always remember, we do life and we do changes and we do healing and therapy in baby steps. So we want to remember when we do our vision board that it's okay to take baby steps. None of this stuff we put on here is going to happen overnight. I have to constantly remind myself that. Healing and growing is it's a journey. So then we have our 2 blank pages again. And then the last page in this set of inserts is my ideal week. So we have our morning, afternoon, and evening routines, and then you have a place here to just kind of jot down a daily schedule, or, you know, I have therapy on Wednesday. So if you have certain things due certain days of the week, you could jot that down. This will just kind of be a sketch of what you would like your week, ideal week, to look like. And then also we have 2 blank pages. So that is the goals and reflection insert set. Again, available in PDF format. All PDF formats will be emailed automatically once the order is complete. And then, of course, if you do print and ship, I would print that at home here and mail that to you. So this is something you guys have been super excited about. A lot of you have asked about my new dashboards and covers for winter and Christmas. I absolutely love these. I had a horrible time trying to choose. I narrowed it down to 5. So for our dashboards, now keep in mind, dashboards can come also in a cover. For the dashboards and the covers, I have also added in half letter. So you can get the classic size or half letter size in a dashboard or a cover. The classic size HP has 9 disc punches on the side. The half letter only has 8, so keep that in mind. So let's get started. This is the first one, and I don't remember what I named them. Let me pull that up real quick on my website so that I can be sure that I'm telling you the right name. Okay, I've got it pulled up. So this one is called Mug and Pine Cone. This cover is like the camera's not even picking up the perfect neutral tones that are in this cover or this dashboard. Also cover. The back side is blank. These are printed and cut on a very heavyweight, nice, thick linen cardstock, so there is a texture to it. It's just very nice and sturdy. So this one is called Mug and Pine Cone. The next one is called Cinnamon Sticks. Absolutely love this. I'm just a sucker for a dashboard or cover with a sweater and a mug in it. I can't pass them up. This one is called Gingerbread and Trees. Again, the soft blankets, just all the neutral colors. This one just has my heart. It's just perfection. This one's called Teddy Bears. Again, neutral colors with a sweater and some teddy bears. I just love it. Absolutely love it. I'm actually going to use these dashboards in my setup video, and I'll show you how I'm going to use them. I'm going to cover up the monthly dividers in my planners with these. So, and then we have this one's called Red Ornament. This picture does not, or the camera doesn't do a lot of justice, but this is absolutely gorgeous as well. It's just a zoomed in portrait photo of a red Christmas ornament on a Christmas tree. I absolutely love it. So all of these, absolutely love, love, love. So a little sneak peek on my upcoming setup video. This is going to be the cover that goes on my journal. Covers are the same cover front and back, just flip-flopped on the back, and then they're blank white on the inside. They are laminated with a really sturdy, thick 10 mil laminating pouch. So very nice, very thick. These will last you a long time. So I'm going to be using, let's see, Gingerbread and Trees, and then I'm also, of course, going to be using Mug and Pine Cone, my absolute favorite of all my covers and dashboards. But yeah. So that is the sneak peek of inserts and covers available in my shop, pleasantlyplanned.com. I do have a code for you to save 20% off of your covers and inserts. That code is Winter Love in all capital letters. So WINTERLOVE. Use that code at checkout. It will be available to use in combination with the automatic sticker discount. So no need to worry about using multiple codes. Those should work. And if by chance they don't work, just shoot me a message. Let me know. No biggie. I will fix it. So that is it for this sneak peek video. I will see you guys on my planner setup video next. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you'd like to see content like this, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing. And follow me over on Instagram. I'm going to do my best to be more active over there as well. So that is it for this video. I love you guys. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.